Now let's take a look at the three important peripheral pieces: PFM, PSV, and PRS. PFM stands for Permanent Filter Module. It filters the inert process gas, collects process byproducts, and sends clean gas back to the machine. All byproducts are coated by an inhibitor material and collected in a bin for safe disposal. Compared to previous cellulose filters, machine uptime is increased, gas flow stabilized, and consumable costs are reduced, all while increasing safety. This is our PSV, our powder sieving vacuum solution, and it entails a multitude of functions: storing, sieving, and transporting metal powder from and to the machine, all under fully inert conditions, preventing powder oxidation, ensuring best part quality and highest level of safety. The tank in here holds up to 90 liters of powder, more than enough for full height build jobs. Integrated scales provide the operator with current fill levels, and dew point sensors monitor and log relative humidity. PSV also enables our integrated depowdering solution with fast and safe powder removal after build job using our separate PRS. PRS, and we love acronyms, is our part removal station, or actually powder removal, as we vacuum the remaining powder out of the build cylinder. Of course, we aim for highest reusability, which is why PSV picks up that powder, sieves it, and recirculates it back into the system. PRS reduces machine downtime by allowing one completed job to safely cool down before removing powder with a vacuum hose and feeding it back into PSV for sieving and further use. All of that while running your next build job. So all in all, we offer a fully closed loop system, meaning not only a closed gas circulation for best inert conditions to safely process reactive materials, but also a closed powder loop. One simple rule in additive manufacturing: you don't want to see the powder, and the powder does not want to see you. That way, we guarantee safest, most reliable manufacturing at highest productivity. Would you like to learn more about us, our products, or specifically want to start your journey with the SLM 500? Then visit us at nikonslmsolutions.com or get in touch with your regional sales manager. Our highly skilled team of application engineers supports you by analyzing your part and performing an accurate business case analysis, including total cost of ownership prediction. Because at Nikon SLM, we see our customers as partners, and it is our mission to empower yours.